I personally love do it before your hair wash. Hair feels dry.
Like ये कैसे हो सकता है?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shukla Sharma and today I'm gonna talk about basics of curly hair routine. So without further ado, let's get started. First is oiling. अगर आपको oil suit करता है, please do it. It does wonders. I think ये बहुत basic step है oiling regardless of your hair type. चाहे straight हो, wavy हो, curly हो, coily हो, doesn't matter. You can take any oil जो आपको पसंद हो, जो आपके हेयर स्कैल्प को सूट करता हो. The oil should be cold pressed and extra virgin. If you ask me, I personally love coconut oil. Now the next question arises कि कितनी बार ऑयल करना चाहिए. Do it before your hair wash. Of course, if you are washing your hair every day or every alternative day, then you can do it twice a week or once a week, depending on your hair type and your liking and what's your hair needs basically. Now the second most question arises कि overnight oiling करना चाहिए या नहीं, या सिर्फ hair wash के पहले करने से ही चल जाता है. Well, I think this is subjective and depends person to person. जैसे मैं overnight oiling सिर्फ winter में करती हूँ, not on summer, not on monsoon. Never. And also if you're someone just doing it before the hair wash, like before 1-2 hours, if it's working for you, well done, just continue doing it. Even in oiling there are exception. अगर आपको डैंड्रफ है सीवियर तो ऑयलिंग मत करो, और अगर आपको लगता है कि ऑयल करने से आपके बाल ज्यादा गिरते हैं या कुछ भी ये सूट नहीं कर रहा है and something like that, then don't do it. Okay, just don't do it. Now the second basic thing is hair mask or deep conditioner. We should not store that hair mask or deep conditioner for that special occasion to come and then we will use it. Don't do it. Just do it every wash day. When you touch it, you know your hair feels frizzy, your hair feels dry, then you have to use deep conditioners on your wash days. And this is for every hair type. Straight, wavy, curly, coily, doesn't matter. Hair mask is important. Now the third and most important part is, this is going to be interesting, stop brushing your hair. If you have curly hair, just stop brushing.
Like many people DM'd me कि उन्होंने ट्राई किया CGM like curly hair routine and everything, but उनका hair फिर भी frizzy है. You know, I'm like ये कैसे हो सकता है? ये रीजन है, ये रीजन. अच्छा ये आपने ऐसे किया नहीं. लास्ट में क्या पता चलता है कि उन्होंने सब कुछ करने के बाद दे ब्रश्ड आउट देयर हेयर. I'm like सत्यानाश, यही तो नहीं करना था. ब्रश नहीं करना होता है.
ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, तो फिर क्या ब्रश ही ना करें? फिर आप कब ब्रश कर सकते हो? इन द शावर, while applying a slippery good hair mask, you can detangle, and you can do it before hair wash. Like when are you applying oil, just use a tangling comb or a white tooth comb to gently detangle your hair, and that's it. After your hair wash, when you are putting styling products and style your hair, then you don't have to brush again. For example, this is my hair right now, okay, and this is I think my third day hair, slightly frizzy I can say. Now, if I brush my hair right now, I will become Hagrid. Trust me. I will insert a footage. You can clearly see. Like अगर curls frizzy भी है, अगर curls ऐसे भी दिख रहे हैं, still if you are brushing, then it will be a disaster. Now comes the styling part. In styling part, there are a lot of products, or I can say a lot of different categories of products like leave-in conditioners, curl creams, mousse, sprays, gel, hair gels. It is kind of overwhelming, but you can start with just 2 or 1 styling products. If you're just starting out, you will need 1 leave-in or curl cream or just a gel. That's it. You can choose a leave-in or curl cream. They are kind of similar, and see if it enough to hold the curl pattern. If they didn't, then get a gel. I will make another video on this topic. कौन सा leave-in curl cream gel ये सब available है India in affordable category. So stay tuned for that. Next video I think I will make on that. So the main thing is, if you have curly hair, wavy hair, you need some kind of styling product. Now comes the fifth part. I forgot, but basically the next thing is, cotton pillowcases can make your hair more dry, so you need a satin pillowcase. When you start using satin pillowcases now, you will see the difference for yourself. And this is also for every hair type, not just curly hair. Now for the drying part, air drying is fine, but if you have diffuser, like not the blow dryer but diffuser, this is game changer. Like chef's kiss. I think if you have wavy curly hair, this is important to invest in a good hair diffuser. Air drying is also fine, but it will take a lot of time in monsoon and winters. And last, the most important step is to have patience. This is so important in curly hair routine if you're starting out. You can't even imagine how many embarrassing moments I have when I started my journey. Maybe I will talk about it later in some other video. But yeah, the main thing is you have to be patient with yourself. और if you are someone जिसने already start कर दिया है, you are still thinking कि नहीं मज़ा नहीं आ रहा, वैसे तो नहीं आ रहा जैसा मैंने सोचा था. Trust me, have patience. Now we are at the end of the video. Let me give you a quick summary. First, stop brushing your curly hair every day. Do it before hair wash, while applying oil, or in the shower using a good hair mask, slippery deep conditioner hair mask. Now the second thing is oiling. अगर आपको सूट करता है, just do it. This is amazing. Third is styling product. You need styling product if you have wavy, curly, coily hair. Fourth is satin hair pillowcase. Fifth is hair diffuser. Sixth is पेशेंस. आई थिंक इसको फर्स्ट में रखना चाहिए था, मैंने एक मिस कर दिया, हेयर मास्क. अगर आप हेयर मास्क यूज कर रहे हो, अमेजिंग. एंड इफ यू आर समवन हु इज नॉट डूइंग इट, स्टार्ट डूइंग इट गर्ल. योर हेयर will thank you, trust me. So I will make a next video on products, like what products are available in India in affordable category, from oil to styling products. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like this video, make it make sense, and comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.